So this is a live demo of the COVID-19 dashboard, which has 3 segments. The pictures. This section would have the globe of the world if there is internet, and it will display this if there is no internet, right? And then the data you are seeing here was saved from before, so that in case you run out of internet, you can still have information about data of various countries. So the first stance of the dashboard is displaying statistics in the world. So it has the total cases, we have the total deaths, today's cases, and then we have recovered cases, right? And then for the world statistics, we will show you how many countries were used for these statistics. So to make a quick search on any other country, you have 2 options, whether to use text or to use audio. So I'll use text, and then I choose done. Then I type the country I want to search for. So I want to look for USA. So then I hit search. So we have the information from USA now, and similarly, since there's no internet, you are not seeing the country flag of USA here. So this is the number of total cases that happened in USA, the number of people who died. Today there's no current case, and then the number of people who recovered. And then now this is the difference between this and the world statistics, right? So for USA, you get the risk of contrast, that is cases per people. How many people can get it? How many cases can you get when you measure between some few number of people, right? So that means it's really small. So that means the risk of getting the COVID at this time is very slow, and maybe because they have improved infrastructure to cure diseases, and people are taking safety measures seriously. So this is a little demo of how the dashboard looks like. Let's try using the voice search. USA.